I think we all have a like a perception of what, if we reach there, we will be happy or peaceful. And in that pursuit of that, of course, there are 10,000 things that go wrong in the process.
A lot of people say that I wish everyone becomes rich and famous to understand that that's not
Yes,
where the
yes,
peace
you
is
can
at.
say that again for sure because for whatever I've been lucky enough to get in my life, I think I think that adds to the craziness. That makes it even more difficult. It doesn't actually help in getting you closer to being peaceful. You see, none of us would really know because peace is an inside job. You know, it's like I really don't know if you're peaceful or not.
But you are a very good reader of vibes.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I know that you know that as well. So
Yeah, I mean, it's really not that hard. I think the moment you drop, you know what happens is, Ranveer, even when I'm doing an interview with you, I can have my guards up. It's very easy.
do you have your guard
I'm
up
an
right
actor.
now?
You think so?
Yeah, a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
Yaar, फिर तो पता
Because
नहीं.
even I can read vibes.
Is it? No, but actually, I personally think I don't have my guards up anymore. And that is because I don't really feel there's, maybe it's the lockdown. I don't know. It's just been such a reality check of what we actually need in our lives and how many things we actually have and the pace of life that I don't know about you, but I've lived a very crazy pace where I'm trying to do 10 things in a day. Like today I'm only doing an interview with you, but say if this was pre-COVID, I would have had your interview and some 10 other things. I feel like the lockdown was a big, made me realize that I sleep well when I have a good day at work. So I think now I'm looking at each day. I'm not really looking at 10 years down the line. I don't understand only this 10 years के बाद आप कहाँ होंगे. इंसान अगर जिंदा होगा तो मतलब फिर देखा जाएगा kind of situation. But having said that, for me now, every day is important. Like I want to be aware of every day. Say if I'm with you, I want to be with you. I don't want to be like thinking about, अरे मेरा life में ये problem चल रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I want to be with you and I want to like whatever. It's the exchange of ideas or thoughts or whatever we are doing. At least do that, in all honesty. I'm 30.
Okay, so it's like around we're the
Around,
same age.
yeah.
Like I've seen a lot of people like 90s kids were basically 90s,
Yeah, 90s
kids.
kids. बस ये अजीब सा स्ट्रेस हो जाता है लोग पता नहीं आप ये जब उम्र पे आ जाते हो तो लोग पता नहीं शादी के बारे में इतने उतावले ऑफ कोर्स लाइक आई एम लाइक एनी अदर एवरेज पर्सन बिकॉज it is the typical age where there is this subconscious, it's not like it's in your face, sometimes in your, it's a subconscious thinking, settle ho jana hai, but if this settle ho jana is so unsettling, why are we pushing this generation to do? You want to live with a person and you feel like your life is not nice and fun anymore alone, and this person, if the person is in your life, you feel good about your life, then that person should can add value to your life, so you should get married. That's my idea of marriage.
Are you ready for one more heavy question?
Of course, this is what this podcast is all about, and I'm so excited to do this podcast.
Okay, so from your failed relationships, what have you learned about relationships?
I think we all have a pattern, whether we like it or not, and we are kind of the victim of our own patterns in our failed relationships if we've had many. In my case, I think getting out of that pattern was very important. My exes were toxic at all. I think I met some really amazing people and I still wish them well, and not like this because I don't know. I just think it takes a lot to be outright mean to someone. And when people do that, and that too very consciously, like knowing exactly the effect it's going to have on you, then they're just mean people.
Okay, coming back to relationships, I'm going to tackle this part of your life also, but first relationship.
Go for it. Relationships it is.
So do you think that
You should travel with them. I think it's really a huge, because everyone might not want to live in for XYZ reason. In India, it's also like not what everyone does. Some people do it, which is great. But for people who can't do that, I think traveling is the next best thing. Like you should not have to stress your day-to-day life. Because when your day-to-day life is a stress because of your partner, I don't think those relationships last. Even if you really get along with them, even if you have this strange soul connection with them, even if you think that when you're with them you're ecstatic and you feel, but if your day-to-day life is difficult, that's not the kind of life one can continue living. You get tired of that.